So KetchBeauty, thank you so much for sending this to me, because you honestly have proved me wrong with me thinking that this was just something like knockoff. But I'm actually really happy with it. It's actually a really good product, and I cannot wait to see where my hair removal process goes with this. Overall, I am actually really satisfied with this. If I'm completely honest, I actually had low expectations of this. I didn't actually think it would be that great. I kind of thought like, oh, okay, here's just like an epilator, like it's probably just gonna be like really tacky and stuff. But I actually like have just been completely proven wrong. Like this has actually shocked me quite a bit. It feels like a sensible weight. The heat it gives off and the epilation feels really comfortable, and it just feels like really nice on my skin. I literally am not in that much pain. I don't know if that's just because I have used like a low intensity for it and it hasn't been too high. But even when I increased the intensity, it didn't even feel like that bad. It felt like it was comfortable for me. It felt like fine to me. So KetchBeauty, thank you so much for sending this to me, because you honestly have proved me wrong with me thinking that this was just something like knockoff. But I'm actually really happy with it. It's actually a really good product, and I cannot wait to see where my hair removal process goes with this. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will be doing future follow-up videos with my hair removal, and yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Of course, follow me on Instagram too guys, at Becky Boulton XO, where you can see other fun shit and you can look at my beautiful self, bitch. And of course, please subscribe, like this video, and comment what you thought about it. I hope you guys will of course stay tuned for my next video next week, and I hope to see you all then. So take care guys, love you all. Bye.